guys, Haz here at Shield K9. Just gonna show you guys a little bit of the day here today. What we got going on? We got Nala, the little bully over there. She's doing some obedience with her trainer, Seema. One thing we're doing, because Nala's like a really soft dog, so a lot of happy play and, you know, not just like militaristic training, like very happy and really making her love the process. And that's a lot of our training. You know, people think it's just we stand there barking orders at the dogs. That's not at all what we do. There is a lot of intricacy involved. Yeah, anybody around the Woodstock area, Seema has a facility out there, Shield Woodstock. You can Google it. You can find it on our website. All right, guys. So next up, we have Rico, one of our executive dogs. We're working now on introducing a little bit of control into the protection. So that's always a little bit of a process, just working our way into the dog and making sure he understands everything. Good job. Back off, make your OUT.
Loss, sit,
Good. Next time must be much stronger. So you can see that was a dirty out. Make a little more next time.
Absimmer.
Oh, boy. I gotcha. I gotcha. I gotcha. Oh,
Good boy.
oh, okay.
Loss, sit.
You don't just get to pick what you want. We tell you. If I tell you take the ball, you must take the ball. If I tell you take the man, you must take the man. We have complete control over the dog. He doesn't decide where he satisfies his drive. This is where you make that control. Even obligation to take the reward. I won't let you do anything until you take my reward. You don't get to decide what you want to do. That's part of building real control in the dog. If the dog is always deciding what he wants to do when it comes to what he wants to bite and what he doesn't want to bite, then you have a problem. So that's part of it. Okay, OUT. Platz, stay. Platz, set, stay. That's good, boy. Good job. Good job. All right, guys, so I'm here with Rock. We're gonna do a little obedience. Rock's one of my imports from Holland. He's a really fun dog to train with. Super stable, super balanced, but also super brave and fantastic drives. Wow, bust. Good job.
Good job, Rocky.
And he's so stable, you know, like I'm actually the one who normally does the decoy work with him. And he's so stable, like he'll just come out and do obedience with me. Like obviously he knows me a little bit, but I'm not his handler. And he's just so good. This is more like me seeing where he's at. Good job, Rocky. Sudney, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get over here. Yeah. Good job, man. Wow. You can see his obedience is really coming along, you know. It hasn't taken very much to get him this far. He had a great foundation already, and he's just such a smart dog, so he's super fun to work with. Good, 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 good job. You are getting it. Very good, very good, very good. All right, guys, that's it for Rocky. See? Good job. Out. Good job. Control of the rear end starting to come. Good job. And the other thing I like to do with a dog like him, I want to touch him with the toy in his mouth. I want him to have a good experience with me touching him and the toy together. So I'm not being confrontational, but I'm building our relationship. We are together with this toy. Los. Up. So there, I'll just have him lie down. Gotta open your mouth a little wider, my friend. So one thing too, guys, is if you're doing this, you only have so many hands. So usually what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the e-collar in here, you're gonna hang it on your neck, you'll put it on your vest, something like that. Be careful. The dog is not stupid. If he sees you always reach into your pocket or you touch your vest to make the out, he's going to become wise to that. He's going to become remote wise. So what I do is oftentimes I'll reach into my pocket, I'll take the remote out, and then I'll play a little tug with him, and I won't make it mean anything. Right? Don't be obvious with it. If you've got a finger kick, use the finger kick. It's even better.